Hello, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm again back with another session of my DIY. And today's DIY is all about transforming old clothes, like which are torn or ripped off somewhere, like that. Okay, I generally don't throw away my old clothes because I try to do something or the other with those old clothes. I'll remodel it or transform it into some other way that I can wear. So in today's video I'm going to show you about how I transform my maxi nightie into a skirt. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, this is the maxi nightie which I'm speaking about, and I'm not using this since so long because it was torn. And this nightie has very beautiful design over it with blues and blacks, and I'm not wearing it because it's torn here and I cannot wear it anymore, and I didn't feel like using it as dusting cloth or kitchen cloth, so I tried to transform this into a skirt. So firstly I measured it over my waist to see if it fits me properly or not, then turned the cloth upside down and made 4 folds so that it will be easy to cut. Actually, the cloth can be cut directly by measuring it up to the waist, but to be accurate, we can even measure it with a tape. So to measure and cut the cloth properly, place it over a flat surface and press it softly so that there are no double folds inside the cloth, and take a tape and measure the length as required by you. Here I marked about 36 inches and also taken 1.5 inch extra which goes as an inner seam. Do the same for the both sides and mark 36 inches and 1.5 inch extra on both the sides and join both the marks, and this line helps us easily to cut the cloth. So this way measuring helps us to be accurate and cut the cloth evenly. Now let's see how that extra 1.5 inch is folded inside. So first fold the 1/2 inch over which the other 1 inch will be folded. See it again properly. First 1/2 inch, then over it 1 inch. This is how the inner seam will be folded. After folding the cloth, you need to stitch over it with the help of sewing machine, or you can even stitch it with your hands. At the end, leave a little gap so that you can pass an elastic band through it. After passing an elastic band through it, you can cover it up even with stitching. After passing an elastic band, you have to stitch over it, over the elastic band, so that the elastic band stays in place and it won't get curled and won't be folded if you stitch over it. And this is how it looks. And this is the final outcome of my DIY, and this is all what happens when I stitch myself clothes or transform any of my old clothes into something new. I go crazy for a while and click as many as pictures and do all such stupid stuff. Here I've also tried different kinds of hairstyles to see which type of hairstyle suits this kind of dress the best. In this clip I made a normal braid and tied my hair with this blue and white woolen ribbon. I've painted the skirt with black colored cartoon T-top. And as I cannot carry loose hair for so long, I've also made a messy hair updo with a hair stick. In the previous clips, I've tucked in my T-top to make it look as a crop top, but this can be worn as such without even tugging in. And finally, always make yourselves feel comfortable with your style and slay with your own style. So this is how I transformed my old maxi nightie into a skirt, and if you like this video, you also try with your old dresses this way, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. And this is all for today. Bye.